간다. Alexa, good night. I feel a little sick. I think it's because I didn't eat anything and I barely slept. Look at how many people are not here. Like, I never had to wait more than 5 minutes for whatever this is, security. So my gate is A2. There's A3. There's A2. And I just got out of the security here. This is the closest gate I've ever been to at this airport, so. Gonna want some McDonald's. So I just ordered one sausage egg McMuffin and an orange juice. That was freaking $8.90. I wanted to use the McDonald's app because you can do buy one get one free breakfast sandwich. And I don't know if it was because I bought it before like 5 a.m. but the deal wouldn't work on the kiosk. So after I bought it, I went up to the counter and I asked for another one. I was like, I want to use this deal, but it wouldn't let me. Yeah, I know, I was like super annoying. So I got 2 burgers. 5:40 right now. And boarding time I think started technically 5 minutes ago, but there's a lot of people standing at the gates.